Israeli director Nadav Lapid surprised the audiences during his speech at the closing ceremony of the International Film Festival of India in Goa by criticizing the festival for including controversial Hindi language movie The Kashmir Files in competition. Lapid said on behalf of the jury, "We were all of us disturbed and shocked by the Kashmir Files that felt to us like a propaganda, vulgar movie inappropriate for an artistic competitive section of such a prestigious film festival." Illegally detained chairman of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Masarrat Aalam Butt, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, expressed concern over the increasing brutalities of Indian Army and paramilitary forces against innocent people in the occupied Kashmir. He said more than 1 million occupation troops have made the lives of the local people a hell. India can never suppress the right-based struggle of Kashmiris with military might. Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, former convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter, in a statement issued in Islamabad, has said that after having invaded Jammu and Kashmir in 1947, dismembering it in 2019, and implementing its demographic racist theory to create a Hindutva state on dead bodies of the Kashmiris, the Modi regime has accomplished its brutal plan in the occupied Kashmir. The Muslim majority territory is squeezed under the army jackboots. An Indian Army Captain Nidesh Singh Yadav, resident of Haryana, posted in 18 Sikhai of the army, died due to drowning under suspicious circumstances during training in a pond in Samba district of the Jammu region. The police are asserting the actual reasons for the death. The post-mortem of the dead body was also conducted. Protests, sit-in and hunger strikes in the Hindu-majority Jammu region negate the Modi regime's tall claims of peace and development. Residents of Panchayat Sahir, after a 9-day sit-in on Tuesday, started a hunger strike against the environmental degradation and exploitation of natural resources. The Sarpanch Bholi Singh said that it is very unfortunate that the Geology and Mining Department allotted a mining block in Sahir Khurd, which will affect the flora and fauna. He demanded immediate stopping of the mining.